So, in continuity with chapter number 17, stars and the solar system, we are finished
Yes.
with the Earth planet, I hope. Good morning, all of you, beta.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning,
Okay,
ma'am.
okay. We know that, good morning, all of you. We know that Earth is the only planet where life is existing. How it is existing? How is it possible? We're going to see point by point. Please go through it, beta. Please go through it.
And this we had done.
We have already read it? Yes,
Yes.
beta? Okay, fine. So, how it is happening? Let's define what exactly is the Earth's rotation and what it is revolution. What is happening according to the rotation and revolution. You are aware of it, isn't it, beta? What is Earth's rotation and what is revolution? You all know about it. But what exactly is happening, you will find it out. Please read. Hello? Start reading, beta.
Earth rotation and revolution. The Earth
And
rotates.
make it a bit fast.
The Earth rotates or spins on an imaginary axis which passes through its north and south poles. The axis of rotation of Earth is slightly tilted with respect to the plane on its orbit around the Sun. An important consequence of the rotation of the Earth on its axis is that it causes day and night on the earth. An important consequence of the motion of tilted earth around the sun is that it causes different seasons on the earth, such as summer, winter, etc.
Okay, fine. I want to show you something. Now, this is Earth, right? How it is tilted? It is tilted like this. You agree? It's 20 degree, it is tilted. You understood now? This is the axis, north and south. You understood now?
Yes,
This is called as rotation. What it is called as? Rotation.
rotation.
This much you agree with me? Okay. Due to rotation, what is happening? Day and night. First, what is happening, beta?
Day
Say
and
with me.
night.
Day and night. And seasons, that is summer, winter, rainy season. So due to this, the tilt of the axis and the rotation, what is happening? We are having day and night and we are having the seasons on the earth. Any problem?
No, ma'am.
That's it. Okay? Fine.
Yes.
Now, the next, that's the fourth planet that we are going to talk about is Mars. Please read with them.
Mars is also called the red planet because the surface appears to be red. Of all the planets, Mars is most like the Earth. The thin atmosphere of Mars contains mainly carbon dioxide with small amounts of
Nitrogen, oxygen.
oxygen gases, and water vapor. Mars has two natural satellites.
Fine. What is Mars? You can see over here, it is also called as red planet. We know that. And it is outside the Earth. Remember, it is the outside orbit of the Earth. So, which is the planet which is inside the Earth? It is Mercury, Venus. Isn't it? Hello?
Yes.
Yes. So, Mercury, Venus is inside the Earth, and outside the Earth is Mars. Now, it is red planet because the surface is red. And Mars is also almost similar to Earth. Okay. It has got two natural satellites. Then we have got one moon, so Mars has got two moons. The atmosphere has got mainly carbon dioxide, which is unfit to stay. You know that, so organism cannot survive over there. And we also have little bit of nitrogen gas, oxygen gas, noble gases, and water vapor. You understood this much better?
Yes.
So from the sun, which is the number of the Mars? Fourth. Which is the number? It is
Fourth.
fourth from the sun. This is the only planet which you can see in detail from the Earth. Okay? It's red in color and it has got carbon dioxide. Please read. Please read.
Mars is the fourth
Be
planet
a bit
from the.
fast. Don't be slow. Delisha,
Yes, ma'am.
be fast.
Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun in the solar system and the second smallest solid planet. Mars is rocky and cold with polar ice caps of frozen water and carbon dioxide. It has the largest volcano in the solar system and some very large impact craters. Mars is named after the mythological
Roman god.
and some very large impact
Roman god. Mythological
Roman
Roman god.
mythological Roman god of war because it is a red planet. The planet Mars is made of rock. The ground there is red because of iron oxide, rust in the rocks and dust. The planet's atmosphere is very thin and contains a lot of carbon dioxide and a very tiny amount of oxygen. The temperatures on Mars are colder than on Earth because it is farther away from the sun and has less air to keep warmth in.
There is water.
There is water, ice, and frozen carbon dioxide at the north and south poles. Mars does not have any liquid water on the surface now, but signs of runoff on the surface were probably caused by color of
Blood.
blood.
Blood. So Mars is the fourth planet. Again, extra information. Okay? You understood? It's not required, but I wanted to give it to you, so I'm giving you. So fourth planet from the sun, you agree? And this is the second
Yes.
smallest solid planet. It's rocky and cold. It has got polar ice caps of water and carbon dioxide. In the solar system, this planet has the largest volcano. Can you imagine? It has got largest volcano, and it has got the volcano has got craters also. Now, how come it got the name of Mars? It has got the name due to the mythological Roman god of war. Why? Because war is concerned with blood or the red planet. This generally is made up of rock. It is why it is red because of rust, that is iron oxide, FeO. Okay? The atmosphere is very thin and it has mostly carbon dioxide but little oxygen. Temperature is colder than Earth because it is away from the sun. We know that. You understood better? This has
Yes.
ice and frozen carbon dioxide at both the poles, that's north and south pole, that is quite cold. It does not have any liquid, but if at all there is water, it is frozen form. You understand? And usually the surface of the Mars is that of color of blood. Okay? You understand?
Yes.
Hello.
Yes. Yes,
And
ma'am.
Mangalyaan. Have you heard of Mangalyaan, beta? Have you heard of Mangalyaan? The
Yes.
Indian Space Research Organization, the ISRO, it launched India's first Mars orbiter mission, that is Mangalyaan, in the year 2013. So it was placed successfully into an orbit of Mars on September 14, 2014. So India had become the first country in the world to do so in its first attempt. Do you know that? So Mangalyaan, we were the first country to put this satellite or the orbital mission in the orbit. And which orbit I'm talking about? In the orbit of Mars. You understood better?
Yes.
Hello?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
that's
ma'am.
why it is called as Mangal. That's the why we have made it Mangalyaan. Because Mars is in Hindi, it is called as Mangal. You understand better? Hello?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Now we come to Jupiter. What we come to? Jupiter. Please read better. So this is the fifth planet. Read.
Jupiter is the biggest planet of the solar system. It can fit 1300 Earths inside it. But when compared to the sun, Jupiter is
Stop.
much.
Stop reading. Now start. Now start better.
But when compared to the sun, Jupiter is much more smaller than the sun. Jupiter appears to be a very bright object in the night sky. Jupiter is made mainly of hydrogen and helium. Jupiter has 28 satellites.
Okay, fine. So Jupiter, we know, is the biggest planet of the solar system. All of you agree?
Yes.
How many Earth can go inside Jupiter? Can you imagine? 1,300 Earth can fit in the Jupiter. But when we compare to the Sun, Jupiter is very small than the Sun. You understand? So Sun is the biggest
Yes.
of all. Okay? Fine.
Yes.
Now, Jupiter is a very bright object in the night sky and it is made up of hydrogen and helium. So, it is almost like star or the sun. Do you agree? Sun is also made up of hydrogen and helium. Jupiter is also made up of hydrogen and helium. So, both are alike? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes? But Jupiter has got 28 satellites. How many satellites it has?
28.
28 satellites. See, this is what? This is Earth. Can you see this Earth?
Yes.
Hello, this is Earth, beta.
Yes.
This is Earth, and this
Yes.
is Jupiter. Okay? You see, compared to Jupiter, how small Earth looks. If I magnify it, see how beautiful it looks, Jupiter. See how beautiful it looks, isn't it? Look at the patterns. How
Yes.
beautiful
Yes,
patterns,
ma'am.
isn't
Mm,
it? So it is the fifth
Yes.
planet from the Sun, largest planet in the solar system. And how many months we have? We have 12 months. It has 39 months. How many months it has? 39 months. See how beautiful
39.
patterns it has.
39.
Beautiful patterns it has.
Yes.
Yes, please read.
Yes, ma'am.
Read better.
Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in solar system. It is the fifth planet from the sun. Jupiter is a gas giant both because it is so large and made up of gas. The other gas giants are Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Jupiter has a mass of 1.8986 into
No, you're not supposed to
1027
read like
kg.
that. Just a moment. Whenever it is after decimal beta, you have to read it as
Yes,
8986. What you will read as? 8986.
8986
86, please. Thank you.
or
Into
about
1027 kg.
into 1027 kg or about 318 Earths. This is twice the mass of all the other planets in the solar system put together. Jupiter can be seen with the It,
Naked eye.
naked eye. It was known to the ancient Romans who named it after their god Jupiter. Latin Jupiter. Jupiter is the third brightest object in the night sky. Only the Earth's moon and Venus are brighter. Are brighter. Jupiter has at least 67 moons. Of these, 55 are very small and less than 5 kilometers wide. The four largest moons of Jupiter are Europa, Europa,
Ganymede.
Ganymede, and
Callisto.
Callisto. They are called the Galilean moons because Galileo Galilei discovered them. Ganymede is the largest moon in the solar system. It is largest in diameter even than Mercury.
Fine. Thank you, beta. What is Jupiter? Largest planet in the solar system that we already know about. Yes, beta. And fifth planet from the sun.
Yes.
If you agree, say yes, beta. Okay? Now,
Yes,
Jupiter
Yes.
ma'am.
is what? It's made up of gas. Jupiter is made up of gas. Okay? It's so
Yes.
huge. That's why it is so huge because it's made up of gas. The other gas planets are Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The mass of this Jupiter is 1.8986 into 1027 kg. You can imagine 318 Earths mass is of Jupiter. Can you imagine? If you place 318 Earths together, that is the mass of Jupiter. And if you put all the planets in the solar system together and make it double, that much of masses of Jupiter alone. We can see it with the naked eye, and the ancient Romans, again they named it after the god Jupiter. This is the third brightest object next to Earth's moon and Venus. So which are the other celestial objects which are brightest? One is Earth's moon and the second is Venus, third is Jupiter. You understood better?
Yes.
Yes? And how
Yes.
many moons it has? What is the meaning of moon beta? Satellite. So how many moons Jupiter has? 67 moons. And of the 67 moons, 55 are very small. And the four moons, the largest moons of Jupiter, they are very famous as Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. Again, they have been given a different name as Galilean moons. Why? Because Galileo Galilei had discovered them. And from these moons, Galilean moons, Ganymede is the largest moon in the solar system. You can understand this much? Yes?
Yes.
Yes.
Also, we should know that Jupiter moves, rotates very rapidly on its axis. Okay? You understand? And this
Yes.
Jupiter has got faint rings around it. Can you see this faint rings? See, these are the faint rings. Can you see this? It's got faint rings
Yes.
around it. Okay, beta?
Yes.
Yes.
So in Hindi, it is known as Brahaspati. What it is known as, beta? In Hindi, it is known as
Brahaspati.
Brahaspati. Okay?
Yes.
Brahaspati. Fine. Thank you. I hope you understood
Yes.
Yes.
Jupiter nicely.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we'll
Yes.
talk about Saturn. Please read.
Saturn. Saturn is the second biggest planet in solar system. Saturn is also up mainly
Made
of hydrogen made up
of
of
hydrogen.
hydrogen and helium. The
Okay.
most distinguishing feature of Saturn is the system of colorful rings around it. The presence of well developed rings circling Saturn makes the planet unique in the solar system. Saturn has 30 satellites. It is called Shani Grah in Hindi.
Okay. So the biggest planet was which one, beta?
Jupiter,
Jupiter. The second biggest planet is which one?
Saturn,
Saturn. Now it is made up of what? Again, hydrogen helium. See, star is made up of hydrogen helium. The sun. Yes or no?
Yes.
Hello. Jupiter is also made up
Yes,
of
ma'am.
hydrogen helium. Saturn is also made up of hydrogen helium. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
So what is the distinguish? What is the unique feature of Saturn? Unique feature of Saturn is beautiful, well-developed rings around the planet. You understand? This one.
Yes.
See. Can you see these rings? These are patterns of rings. Can you see this? These are the rings.
Yes.
Got it? All these are rings. So this makes a beautiful pattern and no other planet has except Saturn. And how many moons it has? 30. How many moons it has, beta?
30.
30.
30. Okay, that
30.
means satellites, yes. Now, it appears a bit yellowish in color. Can you see this? A bit yellowish in color? Can you see this? Bit yellowish in color. And these rings are not visible with the naked eye. Remember, you have to use a telescope to see these rings. Okay?
Yes.
Again, there is Earth. Can you see this Earth over here?
Yes.
The small one. It looks like a baby, isn't it, in front of Saturn? What do you say?
Yes.
Isn't it? And here we are. Now, here is the pattern. See, that's the reason why I've taken it this way. How beautiful it is. See,
Yes.
had you ever seen it before?
No.
No, ma'am.
No. So this
No.
Saturn has got this beautiful, unique patterns of rings around itself. Beautiful color patterns. Can you see this color patterns, Vita? Okay. So this is another way I've taken it. Got it now?
Yes.
Yes. It's really beautiful, don't you see? So this is the sixth planet from the sun, isn't it, Vita? How many moons? Almost 31
31.
moons or 38 moons, you can say that. And surface, usually it has got maximum gas or maybe liquids. It's got yellow planet. Yes or no? This looks like yellow
Yes.
planet. Now we'll read in detail, beta. Please read.
Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun in the solar system. It is the second largest planet in the solar system
Which is the
after
largest
Jupiter.
planet? Yeah, after Jupiter. You got it already. Yes, yes, read beta.
Like Jupiter, Uranus, and Neptune, Saturn is a gas giant. Inside Saturn is probably a core of iron, nickel, silicon, and oxygen compounds surrounded by a deep layer of hydrogen, then a layer of liquid hydrogen and liquid helium, and finally an outer gaseous layer. Saturn has 62 known moons orbiting the planet. 53 are officially named. The largest moon is Titan, which is largest in volume than the planet Mercury. Titan is the second largest moon in the solar system. The largest moon is Jupiter's moon, Ganymede. Ganymede. There is also a very large system of rings around Saturn. These rings are made up of ice with smaller amount of rocks and dust. Saturn is about one lakh one
You can say
Saturn is
14 into
about
10 raised to power 8.
14 into 10 raised to power 8 kilometer around the sun. Saturn was named after the Roman god Saturnus, Saturnus called Coronis in Greek mythology. Saturn's symbol is
Leave
which
it. It's like a sickle, which is the symbol of Saturnus sickle. Okay?
which
Leave
is
it, leave it.
symbol
This
of
Saturnus sickle. Saturnus sickle, beta.
yes ma'am.
Thank you. Now, more to Saturn. It's the sixth planet. Next to Jupiter, it is the largest planet. Saturn is also known as gas giant because it is made of gas. You understood, beta? Okay.
Yes.
Again, it is made up of hydrogen and helium. Got it? Saturn has got 62 moons, but the largest moon is Titan, okay, which is even bigger than Mercury. Can you imagine? The moon is Titan, which is even bigger than planet Mercury. This is the second largest moon next to Jupiter's moon, that is Ganymede. We know that Ganymede is the largest moon, isn't it, better, of the solar system?
Yes.
And the specific features of Saturn is the rings around the planet. And these rings are made of what? It is made up of ice with rocks and dust. So what is actually these rings are made up of? It is made up of ice, dust, and rocks. Got it? Hello?
Yes ma'am.
And Saturn takes 29.6 years to revolve around the sun. Can you imagine? We take how many year? 1 year. And Saturn takes 29.6 years to revolve around the sun. Can you imagine? And
Yes.
it is named after the Roman god, that is Saturnus. Okay? That's it. And in Hindi, it is known as Shani. What it is known as in Hindi? Shani. Okay. Now the next planet that we are going to read is Uranus. Please read, beta.
Yes. Uranus was the planet to the Uranus was the planet to have been discovered with the help of a telescope. Uranus is the third biggest planet of the solar system. The most remarkable feature of Uranus is that it gas highly tilted axis of rotation. Uranus appears to
It
roll
has.
on its
Beta, it is not gas, it is has. It
yes,
has. It
it
has
has
highly tilted axis of rotation.
it
Then,
It has highly tilted axis of rotation. Uranus appears to roll on its side while orbiting around the Sun. Uranus is made up of hydrogen and helium. The planet has 21 satellites.
okay, beta. Thank you. So, Uranus was discovered only by the help of telescope. Remember that. Okay? Uranus was discovered with the help of a telescope. Understood? Third biggest planet. What is the first one? Jupiter, next Saturn, and the third one is Uranus. What is the feature of Uranus, by the way? It has a tilted axis of rotation. Even we have the tilted axis of rotation, remember? Earth has tilted axis of rotation. Uranus it looks to be rolling on its side when it is orbiting around the sun as we do. And it is made up of hydrogen and helium as we have of Jupiter and Saturn. And the planet has how many satellites, beta? 21 satellites. How many satellites? 21 satellites. And Uranus and Neptune both are called as outermost planets of the solar system. You understand, beta? Hello.
Yes.
Okay. This is the seventh planet from the Sun. First planet to be discovered with the help of telescope. It is made up of hydrogen, helium, and methane, and its gaseous surface, so it does not have a solid surface. Yes, yes, beta.
I only read, ma'am.
Huh? Whoever wants to read, if no one takes up, then you read. Otherwise, allow others to read also.
Okay, ma'am. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun in solar system. It is a gas giant. It is the third largest planet in the solar system. The planet is made up of ice, gases, and liquid metal. Its atmosphere contains hydrogen, helium, and methane. The temperature of Uranus is minus 197 degrees Celsius near the top of its atmosphere, but its small
Solid
solid
core,
core, about 55%, the mass of Earth is probably about 5,000
5,000 Kelvin. K.
K. The planet is used. The planet
Tilted.
is tilted on its axis so much that it is sideways. It has five big moons, many small ones, and a small system of 13 planetary rings. The
Planetary.
distance between planetary rings. The distance between Uranus and the Sun is about 2.8 billion kilometers. Uranus completes its orbit around the Sun in 84 Earth years.
Can you imagine? 84 years it takes to
Yes,
complete one revolution around the sun. You understood now how far it
yes.
is? Yes, then
It completes its turn around itself in 17 hours and 14 minutes. This
we
means
we
there are
turn around, Earth completes its turn around in 1 hour. Is not sorry, 24 hours, isn't it? We take 24 hours to turn around. Yes or no?
yes,
So it is faster than us. It is turning around in 17 hours and 14 minutes. Can you imagine how fast it is turning? Such a huge planet.
Yes.
You understood better? Okay. This means
Yes. This means there are about 43,000
43,000
Uranian
days.
43,000 Uranian days in one Uranian year. Uranus was discovered in 1781. This planet can be seen with the naked eye under perfect conditions. John, John Flamsteed saw it decades earlier but mistook it for a star. Uranus is named after the Greek god Uranus, who was god of sky.
Thank you, Beta. So you got some information regarding Uranus? Lots of different information. Yes? Yes, Beta?
Yes.
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 So it is the seventh planet in the solar system. We know it's made up of gas, the third largest planet in the solar system next to Jupiter and Saturn. It is made up of ice gases and liquid metal. Atmosphere has hydrogen, helium and methane. Temperature is very less, that is minus 197 degrees Celsius. Okay. It is tilted on its axis so much that we feel that it's going to fall. It has got huge five big moons. Okay. And distance is very huge between Uranus and Sun. It's around 2.8 billion kilometer. You cannot see it. You can see it with the naked eye, but if it is not cloudy, Uranus is named after Greek god that is Uranus, who was a god of sky. This much have you understood better?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we have Neptune. See, again a beautiful planet. Can you see this planet better?
Yes.
Yes, read.
Ma'am, no one is
Okay, you
reading.
start then.
I read.
No problem. You
Yes, ma'am.
continue.
Okay, ma'am. Neptune. The planet Neptune is farthest from the Sun and the Earth. Neptune is the second planet which was discovered with the help of a telescope. Neptune is extremely cold planet. It is the fourth largest planet of solar system. Neptune has 8 satellites. It is called Varun Grah in Hindi.
Okay, thank you, Betty. Now, after Uranus, the Neptune was obtained. This is the farthest from the Sun, even the Earth, obviously. It is the second planet which was discovered with the help of a telescope. So, first planet to be discovered with the help of a telescope was Uranus. Again, Neptune was discovered with the help of a telescope. So, Neptune was the second planet to be discovered. It is farthest from Sun, so obviously it has to be very cold, isn't it? And this is the fourth largest planet of the solar system. How many satellites it has? It has got 8 satellites and it is known as Varun Graha. What it is known, beta? Hello?
Varun Graha.
So it's the eighth last planet and the farthest planet from the sun. We know it is made up of hydrogen and helium. And how many moons it has, beta? 8 moons. How many moons it has? Eight
8
moons.
moon.
Read, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Please read.
Neptune. Neptune, how to see? Nep.
Leave that.
Nep.
This is
Okay,
this
ma'am.
is the dictionary. So you don't have to
Yes.
read in the bracket. So Neptune is the
Neptune.
eighth.
Neptune is the eighth and last planet from the Sun in solar system. It is a giant. It is a gas giant. It is the fourth largest planet and third heaviest. Neptune has four rings which are hard to see from the Earth. It is 17 times heavier than Earth and is a little bit heavier than Uranus. It was named after the Roman god of the sea.
Okay. So what is Neptune? Eighth and the last planet from the sun in the system. It is made up of gas. It is made up of gas. It's the fourth largest
Yes.
planet. It is so it is the fourth largest planet and the third heaviest. Neptune has four rings, so you cannot see from the Earth because it is very far away from the Earth. Okay, it's a bit heavy than the Uranus, and the name is on the god of the sea, Roman god of the sea. So Roman god of the sea is known as Neptune. Please read the next parameter.
Yes, ma'am. Neptune's atmosphere is mostly made up of hydrogen and helium. It also contains small amounts of methane which make the planet appear blue. Neptune's blue color is much brighter compared to Uranus, which has a similar amount of methane, so there might be another reason why Neptune is blue. Neptune also has the strongest winds of any planet